What's up guys, Jay Yudlowski, Focus Photography and Design, helping you focus on your photography. Today I wanted to talk about taking care of your lenses and cleaning your lenses. I just wanted to show you how I do it. I think it's important that we take care of our lenses, take care of our gear and equipment so that it'll last longer. So let's get into the video. So I think it's really important that we take care of our gear, that we maintain it, and that we keep it clean and in good working order. This way the gear will last us a long time. We pay a lot of money for all these lenses and camera bodies, and we want to make sure that they last for us. So let's get into how I clean my lenses and how I take care of them. So here I have my Canon 60D, and on my 60D I have my 10 to 22 millimeter lens. So usually what I'll do is I'll take the cap off. I start by turning it with the lens face down. I'll grab my Rocket Air and I'll spray the lens. This way any dust that falls down or comes off the lens will fall down and not, fall on top of it. If I started blowing it this way, it gives the opportunity of more things to fall on the lens. So I want to hold it upside down and blow it out. The next thing I do is I'll take a look at the lens here. And I can see there's some spots in there. There's looks like a little hair in there. So next what I'll do is I will take this little brush here. It's got a brush on one side, and on the other side it has a little lens cleaner. So I'll usually start by opening up the brush. I'll just brush over the lens, make sure it looks pretty clear. I'll take off the top here. The next thing I want to do is clean the lens. Now I start in the center. I like to go in a circular pattern and work my way out towards the sides. Now I'll do this as many times as I need to. Sometimes once is good enough. Sometimes I need to do it more than once. And I just want to make sure that there's no smudges on there, there's no scratches, there's no hairs or fuzz that could get in the way when I'm taking photographs. So after that, and after the lens looks clean, lay down my camera. I actually take the lens cap and I'll use my Rocket Air here and blow off the lens cap, because a lot of times I find that in these little grooves here you get dust stuck in there, and then you go put the lens cap on and then that dust can get attached to, well, not attached, but stuck on your lens and dirty it up. I'll also a lot of times just kind of use that same brush to go over the camera body if I have the lens attached to the camera, just to make sure everything's going to be clean. And then if I have the lens off of the camera body, I'll also give a little spray of air in the back here just to make sure there's no dust in there. Although those parts for me are usually okay, and usually I don't have to clean off that area that much. Usually it's just the front that kind of gets stuff on it. So that's my process of cleaning the lens. It's very simple, very quick, and I think by keeping it clean and maintained, it'll limit scratches and just particles that would appear in your pictures. So taking care of your lens is very important, I think, and I think it's going to help your equipment last longer, and it'll also help you get better photos, simply because you're not going to have dust or fuzz or hair or anything else going through the pictures that you may have to try and remove later. I want to thank you guys for stopping by my YouTube channel and watching my videos. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. If you enjoy my videos and you're learning something, please subscribe to my channel. Click the little button there, the little bell button, to be notified of any new videos that I upload. Thank you again for your time, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.